Good morning, people, and welcome to today's minute. Today I'll show you how to make yourself look tan in photos, or your clients if you're a photographer. A lot of Instagrammers love this, so you're welcome. And I just got home from a yoga. Okay. Good morning, people. I hope you're having an amazing day. Good morning, people. I hope you're having an amazing day. I just got back from yoga. Excuse the mess, but I did put a little lipstick on, so I hope that helps a little bit. I'm gonna take a shower soon, but right after this video. So today, I will show you how to make yourself look tan in photos. This is extra popular with Instagrammers. They always look so sun-kissed and suntan. So it's super simple as always. The only thing you need to do is to go to develop, well, open up your photo, develop, and then you go down here to choose the color orange, and then you click on it, and what you do is that you just take down the luminance, and that makes you darker. So before and after, there's a big difference for her. And then sometimes when you do that, you get white spots like these ones around here. They get more enhanced. So you just gotta take the brush and kind of go over it. And let's double click on effect because we want to set everything to 0. And then you you just take down the highlight a little bit, you know, just so that everything looks good. And I would enhance her eyes and maybe, you know, her teeth and stuff like that. And I have videos for that too, so don't forget to watch those. Okay, so you can make her as tan or as light as you want, but you still want it to look pretty natural. So I would just leave it around 79